Welcome to HB Energy's showroom. Let's discover smart energy solutions for every part of life. AC charging piles, plug and play for home garages, company or residential lots. Compatible with most national standard NEVs. Share, scan to pay, and earn passive income. DC fast charging piles. Super fast. Adapts to 400V 800V plus platforms. Intelligent power distribution boosts venue value. Remote monitoring makes maintenance easy. Charge fast and smart. Energy storage system. Camping essential. Great for home, outdoor work, mobile offices. Handles power outages and disasters. Pair with solar panels for off-grid. Clean energy, no noise or exhaust. Which fits you? Comment below. Like, share and follow for more energy innovations.